How to change date and time on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is open up the settings, and you can easily do that by swiping from right to left until you get to the app library, select it, and then just type settings. Select settings. Once in the settings, scroll down a little bit and select general. And then in general, we just want to scroll down and select date and time. Now in here, if you want to be able to set a custom date and time, turn off set automatically. And set automatically will just use the internet or your cellular carrier to automatically set the date and time. So if I turn that off, I can choose a different date and time. I can just change it to whatever I want. And as you can see, it updates it in the top left whenever I select anything. So once you've done that, you can close the settings and you have now changed the date and time on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.